The ability to configure IPSec VPN tunnels inside SD-WAN already existed in the FortiOS. Now this feature is also available on the FortiManager side. In this video, we will demonstrate the IPSec VPN configuration for SD-WAN. Open FortiManager System Settings. Go to All add-ons and open specific add-on. Currently, this feature is implemented only per device management, so please make sure that the central management is unchecked. Go to the Device Manager and open SD-WAN tab. Notice that the management type is set to per device management. Select the device and click Edit. Under the interface members, click on Create VPN. Configure the settings. For outgoing interface, select one or more interfaces. Then click OK to auto-generate IPSec VPN. The auto-generated VPN interface is automatically added to the list of SD-WAN members. Next, edit the VPN in the interface members to configure gateway IP, estimated upstream bandwidth, and estimated downstream bandwidth. Click OK twice to save the settings. Next, we are going to run the installation wizard and install the VPN configurations to the FortiGate. You can click on the Install preview to see the configuration details to be installed on the FortiGate. The notification message will indicate the results of the installation. You can also access the installation log here. And this concludes our video. Thank you for watching.